Let's go ahead and get started. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front door. Let's start with the left side door. Open the door, and right over there you'll find a small slot which is used to activate and deactivate the feature. You'll need your car key for this. Put the key right in that slot and then twist it left just in the same direction as the arrow to activate the feature, and now we should still be able to open the door from outside. However, on the inside, once we close the door, no matter what we do, we should not be able to open the door, and we cannot, so that's good. However, to get out of the car right now, what we're going to do is just slide over there and open the right side door and get out, because we haven't activated the feature there yet. So open the door and let's get out of the car. Open the left door from outside and put the key back in that slot there, and then twist it right to deactivate the feature. That's good. Let's try this out. I should still be able to open the door from outside. On the inside, only in the unlock position I should be able to open the door. Lock cannot open, and unlock I can open. That's good. Back to normal. Open the right side door, and same position, same everything, except that in this case, to activate the feature I have to twist it right. Door feature is activated. I can still open from outside. And on the inside, again, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door now. But you know what I'm going to do next? I'm just going to slide over there and open the left side door to get out of the car. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors. That way the child doesn't just get out of this car seat, slide over there, open the other door and get out and cause issues. For now, let's just open this door, open the right side door from outside, put the key back in and twist it left to deactivate the feature. I can still open from outside. On the inside, I should only be able to open in the unlock position. And yes, I can. That's good. And that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.